Hi, myself Dr. Jayaprakash Shetty, a prosthodontist and implantologist, presently working as a professor and running a private clinic at Chandra Layout. Clinic name is Hasanamba Dentocare. Oral thrush is a yeast infection which develops on the inside of the cheeks, on the tongue, on the tonsils and the gum pads. So which is generally known as oropharyngeal candidiasis or commonly called as a candidiasis. The main cause of the oral thrush is mainly because of Candida albicans fungus which causes the oral thrush and its management. It can be treated with the using antifungal agents like amphotericin B, nystatin, antifungal oral mouthwashes and itraconazole, fluconazole and in case of clotrimazole lozenges, and also the regular checkup of the patient by visiting the dentist. The dentist may advise to the patients by discontinuing the currently using the toothbrushes and changing of the toothbrushes every day until the infection goes off, and also the using the swab to scrape off that white patches which is present over the gum pads, and also using the soft toothbrushes. In such cases we should avoid the mouthwashes or any kind of sprayers, and also we can advise the patient to go with the lukewarm water along with the salt goggling, and also we can use the like in case of soft diet we have to avoid the very hard and hot food particles to avoid the burning sensation of the patient's mouth. This is to treat the baby, especially oral thrush occurs in case of babies or toddlers. Whereas the oral thrush it may transfer to the feeding mothers also. Then in such cases how to deal with it? In such cases the feeding mothers also can be treated by using the antifungal creams to applying over the nipple of the breastfeeding mother and also applying to the baby. So, and also using the hot water or the boiling water to clean up all the pacifiers or other instruments feeding the baby. So, we can use the hot water or the vinegar cleaning up all the pacifiers. So, one more thing, so we can give the patients to like unsweetened yogurt to maintain and restore the healthy and good bacteria, because healthy and good bacteria is also needed to fight against the oral thrush. And also we can maintain the proper blood sugar level in case of uncontrolled diabetes. So what happens in case of uncontrolled diabetes, when there is an increased amount of insulin, the easy occur of the oral thrush will be more everywhere in case of palate area, cheeks area and on the tongue and on the tonsils. So the main prevention is it has to making the spreading of the oral thrush anywhere. So we should try to avoid the spreading one thing, and we have to control the new occurrence of that oral thrush. Like in case of denture wearers, most of the patient complains of burning sensation of the mouth or the formation of the white patch over especially on the hard palate area. So by discontinuing or less using of dentures, we can decreasing the spreading of that oral thrush, or we can prevent, or we can making the proper use of the dentures.